guys, another small, simple business card size model kit, only it's a bit big for a business card. I've printed this. It says MiG-29 Fulcrum and Nakozen. There will be links in the video description so you can download the files yourself, put them together. I don't think we need extensive instructions on how to put this together. We've got 4 pieces, isn't it? I'm not sure if I've done this one before. I don't think I have, but quite a few of these look very similar to each other anyway. Apologies if it is a duplicate. Well, that's got to fit on there. And those have got to fit on here. Well, at least they slide together nicely. That actually looks quite nice. Nice and simple. Yeah, needs a bit of trimming around the edges where the sprue was. Yeah, that looks okay. Check the video description for the links for the download. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.